Understanding official documents in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very common and important term, official document. Understanding what this phrase means can be incredibly useful in various contexts, especially in professional and legal situations. So, let's dive in and demystify this term together. An official document refers to any piece of paper or digital record that is created, issued, or recognized by an authorized organization or government. These documents are considered legally significant and often serve as proof or evidence of certain facts or statuses. For instance, passports, birth certificates, and marriage licenses are all examples of official documents. Official documents share certain key characteristics. Authority. They are issued by recognized institutions, like governments, schools, or companies. Formality. These documents often follow a specific format or layout. Purpose. They are used for official purposes, such as verification, identification, or record-keeping. Legal recognition. These documents have legal standing and can be used in legal proceedings. To understand better, let's look at some common examples. 1. Birth certificate. A record of someone's birth, providing vital details like date and place of birth. 2. Passport. A travel document issued by a country to its citizens, allowing them to travel abroad. 3. Academic certificates. Issued by educational institutions, these documents validate one's educational achievements. Official documents play a crucial role in our lives. They establish identity, prove who you are, enable services, access to government services, banking, and international travel. Legal necessities. Required in legal situations like court cases or property transactions. I hope this video has helped clarify what official documents are and why they are so important in our daily lives. Remember, these documents serve as crucial evidence in many aspects of life, and understanding them is key to navigating both personal and professional landscapes. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to sharing more insights with you in our next video.